Heidi ho, good neighbors. This is Jen from ScanNCut Jam Sessions and ScanNCut Canvas and Scale Help on Facebook. Someone had a question on the group about using SVGs with our SVGs, transferring them over using the cord with the ScanNCut2, and sure cuts a lot. And yes, it's actually really easy. So let me show you. There for a while I told you not to do that, because we'll just use the Browning buck here, because there was a size discrepancy. Okay, so now let's just export it. Now my cord comes in as this, sorry, removable disc E. Okay, what yours will come up, I am not sure of. You will have to research that, and a good way to research it, let me show you. You're gonna unplug it. Okay, I click on this PC. Now check this out. Okay, you plug it in and see what pops up. Ooh, something new popped up over there. Oh, this daggone security software. Yeah, it's great to have, but man, sometimes it gets on my last nerve. Okay, so I'm gonna keep an eye on these. Which one disappears? Ah, the disc E. Okay, so I know it's that one. So that one is oh my gosh, that one is where I want to send it to. Okay, so let's come up here, grab that, and instead of changing it, because she had asked about just sending straight scalable vector graphics over, I'm going to entitle it, let's do Skull or Browning. Okay, now this is the important part. When we export our SVGs in Scale, sure cuts a lot, they must be set at 96 dpi, okay, to come out at the appropriate size proportion. If you set it at 72, if you set it at 90, any of these other ones, it is going to skew the size, and it will not maintain the size aspect ratio. It must be set at 96, okay? So go ahead and click OK. Alright, ready to run over to the machine and check this out? Here's my lazy dog. Hey, dog. Okay, so let's check this out. Well, there's my old one. Okay, so let me go back. Dismiss those. Let's come in here to pattern. Now, when you get over here, that's the machine, that's the stick, this is the USB cord. Oh, looky. There it is, and it's the right size. Okay, so let's click OK. It's hard to do this through looking through here. So now you can size it and do whatever, alright, but that is how you use it. Okay, and the same way with FCMs, you just shoot it over that way. Instead of leaving it as an SVG, you change it to an FCM. And actually, that is what I recommend. If you are already in Scale and you go to that screen, just change it to an FCM. It works better. To me, it looks better, and it's easier to just hurry up, bam, quick change it. You don't have to worry if you get the DPI ratio wrong. It's just easier, and it's a lot safer. Okay, if you guys have any questions, come and find me and my lazy dog over at ScanNCut Canvas and Scale Help on Facebook. Thanks a lot, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day.